Hello, welcome to my channel, beauties. Welcome to Dark Skin Next Door. Okay, so today I'm giving you a little demo and I'm telling you a little bit about this hair right here. It's from Wigs VIP Hair Company and it's an 8-inch, I believe, water wave, or I know it's not a Jerry curl, but I will link everything below. Please stay tuned during the video. I will customize the lace front for you today also. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Okay, so this hair is from VIP Wigs, or Wigs VIP. It came in this cute little box right here. And it's like a blue color. I really do like this color. It's like a navy blue. Okay, so inside it did come with the wig. And they sent a wig cap. I love that it's my skin tone, or one that I would use. And they also did give me this. It wasn't a pack, but I don't know what I did with it, but it is a like pick. But I probably wouldn't use this for this type of wig, but still, I love it. Thank you for the gifts. And it did come with this little booklet right here. So I believe it just tells you how to take care of the wig. And it has like cute pictures in it from other like YouTubers. And they show you if you want a refund and all this extra stuff, but it's really cool. It's really cool. Okay, so let's get into the wig. It came in this little pack right here, this little baggie. I do like these because I do put like other products inside it when I do get it and I'm finished using it. So here is the wig. It did come in a net. This is the wig right here. It does look a little crazy, but it is curly. This is the wave at the bottom. It is an 8-inch, I believe, but it's cut at an angle. So this lace goes pretty far back in the middle. I don't know if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part, but it does come with a lace to the back too. And it comes with this. It's an adjustable strap, but it's really cool because it's like built like a bra strap basically. So you can like clamp on and clamp off. Even you can take these parts off too if you don't want them at all. I'm going to cut the bottom lace off because I don't need it or don't use it. And I do have scissors, but today I have a little weak scissors because I can't find my other ones. Back is cut off and now I'm going to apply the wig. Okay, I did find my scissors just in case. Okay, so this hair, I believe it did come pre-plucked a little bit. I think so because the hairline is a little bit lighter, but I might go in and do a few more details. And it kind of came pre-bleached, but not as like how I do it, but today is fine. I'm not gonna bleach it or anything because it's fresh from the pack. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. So because the wig is so tight, or it's really fitted, I don't really need to glue anything up front. I'll probably just do the sides right here. So today I'm going in with my Eben lace front bond. And I'm not going to add too much because I'm just doing right here and on the side.
Okay, so we're going to let it air dry for a little bit.
Okay, so I did let the lace dry a little bit. Now I have to get onto the hair and try to do something with this. But I will first put a little bit of baby hairs because I don't like the straight line. I don't think that's really that cute. So I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hairs. I'm leaving a little bit of the sides out just because I think that looks more natural. So this part I did not glue, but this part I did. So that's why it's a little weird up top. And now I'm going in with my Pro Style gel. Okay, so I just want a little bit of baby hair, so I'm just going to go around the perimeter and do a little bit more. Okay, so now the baby hairs are done. Everything is done around the perimeter. I'm going to wet the hair up a little bit and add a curl definer. I am using water and these two products right here. Okay, now the hair is damp, I'm going in with the foam. Okay, now we're going in with the curl cream. Okay, so now I'm going to put a part because I didn't really have one before. Oh, line. Let's fix this real quick. I guess I put the scarf too tight. Okay, so let's make a part right here.